Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to log Plan B on Flo App. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Flo App on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, if you stay on today, you're gonna see Log Your Symptoms option under My Daily Insights. Go ahead and tap on Log Your Symptoms. There you can see categories: sex and sex drive, mood, symptoms, vaginal discharge, digestion in stool, pregnancy test, order, physical activity, and finally other pills. Tap on Add Pill from there, type in the pill name, then number of intakes. You can also add reminder and add a text. Once you do that, you can also add intake end date, then tap on done from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you log Plan B on Flo App. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.